So you want to create drop-down menus that change color based on selection? You won't believe how easy it is. Let's go and do it together. Step number one is to create the drop-down menus, obviously. So I'm just going to select the cells under data. This is the icon for data validation. Click on it and select a list. Let's click on the arrow, select our data. Arrow again, click on OK. And there you go, you have your menus everywhere. Now the second step is to create conditional formatting rules. So again, I'm going to select my cells, then I go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, and here I want format only cells that contain cell value equal to. You can click on the arrow, select goods. I'll show you in the second example how to write it manually. That's very easy. Format, we select the format, press OK, there you go. Now if you select goods, you get the magic. The second one is average. So again, I select my data, home, conditional formatting, new rule, same thing. Here you will have equal to. We will have the second one, which is average. So I'm just going to type average here. Format, let's take this yellow, press OK, and then press OK. So if you change this to average, there you go, it works. Let's do the third one quickly. So you have the same technique. Format only cells that contain equal to. Let's select poor here and let's select some red format. For example, this one. Why not? Press OK. And now if you select poor, you get it. And if you select good, you get the green.